The Effect of Character Education on Student Behavior by Hannah Roth for the purpose of course EDU 586. The research question for this study was, does having a character education program in place in a school decrease student behavior in elementary schools? The hypothesis is, I believe if a reputable character education program is implemented in a school building, then the student behavior data will show a decrease in students' behaviors while at school. The purpose of this study is to show how character education programs in schools are decreasing behaviors in the classroom. Character education supports students to manage their emotions in a healthy and appropriate way, to be able to solve problems with peers independently, and be able to regulate themselves when they are dysregulated. By showing how character education programs decrease behaviors in the classroom, and by showing how effective character education programs can benefit a school's climate, I hope to have other educators see the significance and importance of character education. The research study participants. For this study, there will be elementary school age students in St. Louis, Missouri. The researcher will use a group of 2nd to 5th grade students ages 9 to 12 years old from a public elementary school in the state of Missouri. The estimated size of this research population is 300 students. Implementation of the research project. For this project, the researcher will implement by using surveys, interviews, and data collection. These ways of researching for this specific topic will give the researcher the most insight about how character education is working in our schools. I will be gathering numerical data from office referrals from the school as well. The data collection. The researcher will collect data from staff, students, parents, and data from office referrals to continue the trend of character education programs positively impacting student behaviors and decreasing the number of office referrals. Results. When looking at the staff and student surveys, the researcher concluded that the research was inconclusive. This was due to the high number or majority of students and staff replying neutral when asked questions. The questions that they were asked were, does character education positively impact school climate? Have you noticed a decrease in behaviors or distractions in the classroom? These are just a few examples of the 15 questions that they had. Another reason why this study was found inconclusive by the researcher is due to the nature of this school year. This particular school where the participants were from for this study began their school year in August. When they started school in August, they started a fully virtual, 100% students learning virtually until October 27th. On October 27th, the school started a hybrid learning model, which meant on Mondays, every student was virtually taught, and then they came in 2 days a week for half the class to learn. This hybrid learning model went until January 19th. On January 19th, all the students had a virtual day on Monday, and then all the students attended in-person learning Tuesday through Friday. Due to the nature of this school year, due to COVID-19, there were no office referrals given from August to January 19th. Due to this, the researcher was unable to compare data from 2 years ago and last year with the number of office referrals. Due to the survey results being mostly neutral from staff and students and the number of office referrals or lack thereof for this school year, the researcher concluded that this research was inconclusive. The researcher did not have enough evidence or numerical data to conclude that a character education program positively affects student behavior and decreases office referrals. Thank you.